How to fix TikTok phone number already used. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix phone number already used error on TikTok. Well, the process is simple. Simply go ahead now. If a TikTok phone number is already in use, the solution is to either use a different number or use an email address to sign up. If the user can no longer access the phone number they used for their account, they can navigate to their account settings, choose manage my account and then phone number to change it. Now, if you're trying to sign up and it says the phone number is already used, if you have access to that number, you can try and log in to that number account. However, if you don't have access and you want to sign up to a new account, you can choose a different sign up method, that is Google account or Facebook account. So this way you can easily go ahead and fix it or find the solution for it. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.